So if you run a small business of any kind and I have to convince you that online reviews are important these days, then this video is not for you. For those of you who do know how important, how profitable online reviews are, check this out. This is one of our members, 978 Google reviews. The owner of this company has agreed to do an interview with me so that we can share some insights into what it takes to get almost 1,000 Google reviews and the effect that that's had on his business. You're going to see here that every single one of these reviews is a real review from a real client. And over the course of using our software, they've managed to build this very impressive online reputation, as it's called, right? This is getting 5-star reviews is all about what's called reputation management. So in their case, they've managed to add an incredible amount of reviews because one, they're a great business that provides good service to their community every single day, right? They're just getting up, working hard, and they happen to be using our software in order to get these online reviews from their satisfied clients. Because you guys know the deal. People who usually write reviews are the ones who are upset. They're the ones who take time out of their day to take their fiery little fingers online and write a bad review, right? Because, well, they're naturally motivated to go grind that axe in public. Whereas a satisfied customer, they just move on with their day. They're like, well, I had a great experience with your business. I'm satisfied, you know? They just move on. They just go and pick up the kids from school and do the laundry and move on with their day. And that 5-star review rarely manifests itself unless you have a system in place. So that's what we're going to be talking about. How do you easily systemize the acquisition of 5-star reviews? How do you make it just a natural part of doing business that takes very little time so that when you and your staff are serving your community as best as you possibly can and your satisfied customers will finally have an easy way to leave you an online review. My name is Daniel. I'm the founder of Starloop. We create software that makes it easy to get online reviews. Plus, we plant one tree for every online review. If you want to get more real reviews for your business, head on over to starloop.com and start your free trial today.